Hey everybody, Sylvie K here, and tonight what I'm making for supper is going to be Swedish pancakes, or otherwise known as Plett. And I have this Plett pan here, and it's actually from Scandinavia. I don't remember where I got it, but I can assure you I didn't buy it new. So what I have is 1 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 cups milk, 4 eggs, and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. And these are very similar to pancakes, except they're more like crepes. And if you've never tried them before, you absolutely must, because they are really, really delicious. And you don't have to make them in a Plett pan either. I just happen to have one. So what I've done is I've mixed up my milk and melted butter and 6 eggs, and I also added a dash of vanilla extract. And I'm just going to mix this here together till it's nice and smooth. I'm just adding a little butter to each well here. All of my cast iron needs to be re-seasoned, but I'm always doing bigger and better things. Maybe someday I can actually take a little break. Most people don't have these with syrup. They generally have them with some kind of jam, but I'm not overly fond of putting jam on pancakes, so I'll just have mine with syrup. Oops. He doesn't want to cooperate. I'm We got one ugly one. There's always got to be somebody ugly in the group. Uncooperative. So if you get a chance to try this recipe, try it sometime. And there you have Plett. So try some out and let me know how they came out. Make me up another batch here, and then I'll have me some supper. So that's going to be all for now. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.